Here's another koi item to unbox. This one's like the zoomed lens version. The Sony ZV-1. Like this one has the zoomable lens. And what we're going to do here is unbox the item here. So we're going to do unbox this. Talks about the accessories supplied. USB cable, windscreen, rechargeable battery pack, just like the fixed lens version, the ZV-1F. I like the ZV-1F, it does offer all the same features, but as well as a zoomable lens. Supports an SDXC card, which is good. Some labels and shit there. The next part of this video is what we're going to do in the next part of this video is the actual unboxing part, so stick around for it. Where's the unboxing part? I just quiet on the video here. See. Just some very select limited warranty. Information about accessories as well as reference guide and quick start guide. Camera itself. That looks like a quality item there. Zoomable lens, like on a digital camera. Has the microphone inputs, multi, HDMI. This attachment, it probably should come off. Sure. And just like on the ZV-1F lens, that comes out, but doesn't swivel. Yeah, your windsock. which you're probably not going to use. Say a multi-cable there, but it's probably not the USB-C like on the other one. But ain't no problem. Could probably use this to charge the camera up. And last but not least, the battery. And for this camera, decided to buy a proper SDXC card. This one's like 512 gigabytes. Lovely, 512 gigabytes, which will probably fit in there. Got the microphone up here, which is good. But it doesn't use USB-C. But if I'm transferring video, I could just hook it to a memory card reader and do it faster there. Oh well, stick around for the next part after I get this a little bit, organized. You've pretty much seen the unboxing of this wonderful item here. There's some noticeable differences between the ZV-1 and the ZV-1F. Notice the lenses are different. But what I'll probably just do is save that for another video. A nice detailed comparison video. And one, this is still going to get used anyway. All this needs is just have the battery put in and the memory card installed, which I already showed you. And this is not going to replace this here. This is still going to get used. Because it's still a very good camera. It's got a lot of fight in it and everything. So you can say we can say we got a video right there and there. You already seen the unboxing. So this is just put the battery in, put the memory card in, charge that up, and then maybe to see what type of tests that could be done on it. And there will be a comparison video for both of these in a future video for sure, if you haven't heard that. Otherwise, if you're able to like this video, do so. If you're able to subscribe to this channel, do so. And if you're able to support this channel through Patreon, you should do so. Because if you do not do any of that, you could truly utterly regret it. Otherwise, for this video, that's it for now. And stick around for the next video that comes up. Otherwise, I'd say later.